Hello and welcome back to my channel. Are you a Nigerian student, teacher, or professional looking to attend a short course, academic seminar, training, or educational exchange in the United States? Whether it's a one-week leadership program, a month-long tech boot camp, or an international student exchange event, you'll need a USA study visit visa. And that's exactly what I'm going to help you apply for in today's video. Stick with me as I break down the entire application process, from filling your DS-160 form to surviving the interview, all in simple terms. Let's go. Number 1. What is a USA study visit visa? For short academic or educational visits that don't lead to a formal degree, the visa you need is called the B1, B2 visa. This is different from an F1 student visa, which is used for long-term, full-time studies at a U.S. university. B1 is for business or professional activities like conferences or training. B2 is for tourism or visiting friends, family, but for short academic trips, educational exchanges, or workshops. You usually apply for a B1, B2 visa with supporting documents explaining the academic nature of your visit. Number 2. Who can apply? This visa is ideal for students invited to international seminars, workshops, or conferences in the U.S., teachers or lecturers going for short-term academic exchanges. Youth selected for programs like CISI, YALI, Global Scholars, etc., professionals attending certificate trainings or educational boot camps. If your program is under 6 months and does not offer a degree, you're good to go. Number 3. Step-by-step application process. Let's break this down clearly. Step 1. Get your invitation letter or admission proof. You must have a valid letter from the U.S. organization or school inviting you. This should include program name and date, address of the host institution, confirmation that you're expected, duration and purpose, whether they're covering any expenses. Make sure this letter is on official letterhead and signed. Step 2. Fill the DS-160 form online. Visit https://cac.state.gov/gnniv/select your visa application location, Lagos or Abuja. Save your application ID, write it down. Fill all the sections: personal info, education, travel plans, background, U.S. contact, pro tips, under purpose of travel. Select business and tourism B1, B2. For U.S. contact, use your program coordinator or school official. For person, entity paying for your trip, select yourself or the sponsor. After submission, print the confirmation page. You'll need it for your interview. Step 3. Pay the visa fee. The visa fee is $185. Check the current Naira exchange rate on the embassy website. Pay through GT Bank branches, over the counter. GT Bank online platform, U.S. visa appointment website. You'll receive a receipt number after payment. Don't lose it. Step 4. Schedule your interview. Go to https://www.ustraveldocs.com/ng. Create an account. Use your payment receipt number to unlock the calendar. Choose a convenient date and location, Abuja or Lagos. Select a biometric appointment date to print your appointment confirmation letter after booking. Step 5. Prepare your supporting document. Shares what you'll need for your interview. Must-have documents: DS-160 confirmation page, visa appointment confirmation, international passport valid for at least 6 months, passport photo white, background, U.S. standard to buy 2 inches, visa fee payment receipt, invitation letter/admission email/letter of acceptance, program description or brochure, letter from your Nigerian institution confirming your leave of absence, evidence of ties to Nigeria, employment letter or school ID, bank statement last 3 to 6 months, proof of family or assets, evidence of sponsorship if not self-funded, sponsor's letter, bank statement, and ID. The more genuine and complete your documents are, the better. Number 4. Your visa interview. This is the final step and where most people get nervous. Location: U.S. Embassy in Abuja or U.S. Consulate in Lagos. Here's what happens. You arrive early, go through security, you wait your turn. You'll be interviewed by a consular officer behind a glass window. They'll ask direct questions like, why are you going to the U.S.? Tell me about the program you're attending. Who is sponsoring you? What do you do in Nigeria? Do you plan to return after the program? Your answers should be honest, direct, and confident. Only provide documents when asked. Number 5. After the interview, what's next? If approved, you'll be told at the window. Your passport will be kept for visa processing. You'll pick it up or get notified when it's ready. It usually takes 3 to 5 business days. If denied, you'll get a blue sheet with the reason likely to 114B. Don't panic, you can reapply after addressing the reason. Number 6. Tips for a successful application. Here are my pro tips to increase your approval odds. Be very clear on the academic nature of your trip. Show that your trip is temporary and well organized. Demonstrate strong ties to Nigeria: work, school, family. Avoid inconsistent answers in your form and interview. Prepare all documents, even those not asked for. Never say you're going to see how things are in the US. That's a red flag. Number 7. Common mistakes that lead to rejection. Avoid these. Submitting fake or unverifiable documents, saying you're unsure of your plans, having no proof of funds or sponsor, applying without a clear invitation, telling them you want to stay longer or work in the US. Number 8. What if you're sponsored by an organization? If a Nigerian or American organization is paying for your trip, get an official letter stating they are fully responsible. Include contact details and proof of funding. Include their registration certificate or a printout of their website. If available, this improves credibility. And that's it, friends. That's how you apply for a USA study visit visa as a Nigerian, from start to finish. If you follow these steps carefully and present your case truthfully, you stand a very good chance of getting approved. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful travel and visa content. Turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I wish you success in your visa application. Safe travels!